Choosing the best microphone for your Samsung S22/S23 or USB-C smartphone, a comprehensive guide. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing how to choose the best microphone for your Samsung S22, S23 or USB-C smartphone. Let's dive right in. Main issues. Smartphones like the Samsung S22 and S23 can capture stunning videos, but great audio is just as important. I've tried several solutions to find the best option for your smartphone. Tested solutions. Here's what I've tested. USB-C microphones, not recognized by the device. Samsung's USB-C to headphone jack adapter doesn't work, as it's only for audio output, not input. Samsung AKG hands-free kit with earbuds and mic. Mediocre sound quality, suitable for calls but not videos. Might be a copy.
Bim, là on est avec le micro, avec le casque Samsung, le AKG.
Away TC6 hands-free kit, similar to the AKG, not great for videos.
Bon, là on est en train de faire un test avec le casque Huawei.
Boya miniature Type-C condenser microphone. Connection issues, as reported on many forums for USB-C mics. Boya universal USB-C adapter by K5. Better, but video cuts off if the mic is moved. Boya by K4 3.5 mm TRS USB-C to jack. Adapter. Works great but only with TRS microphones. Recommended solution. After testing several microphones, including some with connection issues, I found the best solution. A stereo Sony lavalier microphone. The Boya adapter plus an elbow connector to position the jack on the side works perfectly.
Et on finira avec la solution retenue pour moi, un micro Sony avec l'adaptateur USB Type C. Voilà, tout ça chez Boya. C'est parce qu'il y a le moins cher, encore une fois.
Conclusion. I know many of you have been struggling to find the perfect microphone for your smartphone. This combination of the Boya adapter and Sony lavalier microphone will significantly improve your videos, giving them a professional touch. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.